Is it possible we could see like a fast takeoff scenario?
Possible, of course, and it may not even need a modification. It is still not what I believe is the most probable path, but I don't discount it, and I think it's important that we consider it in the space of what could happen. I think things will turn to be more continuous, even if they're accelerating. I don't think we're likely to go to sleep one day with like pretty good AI and wake up the next day with genuine superintelligence. But even if the takeoff happens over a year or a few years, that's still fast in some sense. There's another question about even if you got to this like really powerful AGI, how much does that change society on the next day versus the next year versus the next decade? And my guess is in most ways, it's not a next day or next year thing, but over the course of a decade, then the world will look quite different. I think the inertia of society is like a good